you for calling Honiakis. This call is being recorded. If you do not wish to be recorded, please disconnect at this time. Please hold while I... Hello?
Hey, this is Matthew. I'm supposed to pick up the Lansing to Mount Clemens?
Yes. Are you already inside?
No, I'm on site, but there's nobody here.
Oh.
Yeah, they're...
One sec.
Okay.
Did you follow the address, the Univar USA, and 2011 Turner Street?
Yes, that's where I'm at. Yeah, the gate's locked. Nobody's here to open the gate. They said there's another driver here that's leaving that just said everybody left at 4.
Oh, so everybody left at 4. Let me
Yeah.
put you on hold. Stay in line, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Spent more time in a tow truck than in my baby's arms. Never made love in a Pinto. Tell me, has anyone? I know every tow truck driver, the first name in my town. See me on the side of the road and they swing.
Well, maybe he'll open the gate for me. Told me nobody was here. I reckon there's no point of sitting here just with it running, right? So supposedly there's nobody here. Supposed to pick up a load. He just picked up a load going to the same place. Oh, here he comes back. Let's see what he has to say.
Well, I know what it would be. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Long blonde hair and big blue eyes.
Well, watch your ears. He's gonna open the gate, and we'll go around the building and get out of here. Oh well, it happens sometimes. I think the load got double booked, and that local driver just picked up the load that I was supposed to take. So, oh well. Sometimes that's how it goes, guys. I'll have to figure something else out. It was with a third-party broker agent, whatever. It definitely was not a direct customer load. So sometimes it happens. Oh well, I guess. But until next time, guys, y'all stay safe out there. Let your family know you love them. Don't have too much fun. Carry a weapon, make a veteran. You are your first responder. We'll see y'all.